How does Larry Page hire? Larry Page is also known as Larry Edward Page. Is an American computer scientist and entrepreneur. Together with Sergey Brin, they co-founded Google, a website that receives a lot of traffic on the internet. In this episode, we will talk about Larry Page's journey and the unique culture that he creates for his employees. For more episodes, please subscribe and like our channel and press the bell icon for notifications. Larry Page resigned as CEO of Alphabet, Google parent company, in December 2019. Although he remains a board member and significant stakeholder, he is the founder investor in the space exploration business Planetary Resources and a backer of flying vehicle companies Kitty Hawk and Opener. Larry Page's hiring method. Google's recruiting people procedure is structured to prevent putting too much emphasis on any one decision. Google applicants are reviewed by many recruiting managers, their possible boss, potential co-workers, a hiring committee, a senior leader, and Page himself, instead of just one or two hiring managers. The most frequent comment from Larry Page is that a prospect may not fit our recruiting standards or that the creativity shown on a portfolio may not be enough. Larry's message to the firm that recruiting is taken seriously at the highest levels and that they should continue doing a good job is more significant than the criticism itself. What does Larry Page look for in candidates? Google emphasizes the value of individuals' interests and unique experiences and viewpoints, in addition to the abilities they bring to the position. This combination of competence, enthusiasm, and perspective distinguishes Googlers from skilled labor. This is referred to more generally as candidate fit. The question to ask is, are you qualified for a position for Google? Would you be a good match for the company's culture? In addition, Google promotes diversity, equality, and inclusion in its recruiting practices. Google is proud of its varied and intriguing team. It pushes you to showcase what makes you distinctive and provides fantastic guidance on what it prefers and dislikes on a resume. Your interview is an important element at Google recruiting process. Google uses behavioral interviewing methodology. This implies you must be prepared to support your resume with examples and tales. Your interviewers, and you may expect to meet at least with a couple of them, will be interested in your accomplishments and not your position. Be prepared to divide tales and concrete instances of your accomplishments. Google was formerly renowned for acquiring interviewers to solve difficult puzzles during interviews, but this practice has since been discontinued. Among the skills that Google looks for in an applicant are cognitive ability, intensive curiosity, innovativeness, ability to adapt to change, divergent thinking, algorithmic thinking, facility with writing computer code, statistical analysis skills, ability to mine big data, analytical skills, management style characterized by empowering others, action-oriented, individuals with diverse backgrounds, candidates who attack problems head-on, evidence of taking ownership and being accountable, demonstrated ability to take on challenges, comfort with ambiguity, evidence of active leadership, accepting supervisor idea from others, collaborative teamwork. Google hiring culture. Google organizational culture eliminates corporate structure and encourages creativity. Google strategy. Google encourages creativity. Google has no work location limitations. Google does not require you to sit at a desk all day, unlike other companies. The award-winning IT business does this to inspire staff and boost productivity. You may work in a cafe, lounge, or beanbag chairs. All that counts is doing a good job quickly. Ensure employee transparency. At Google, everyone communicates easily. A low-level Googler may discuss ideas and concerns with managers without an assistant or letters. Google flat structure allows all workers to speak out. This organizational structure may restrict workers' viewpoint because they fear penalties. Google likes recruiting people who are expressive about their beliefs. Encouragement at work would not be a problem at Google. Set core values. Google's fundamental principles help workers understand their expectations and goals. There is a specific web page for this function. Google encourages staff to concentrate on the user and provide the greatest experience. Their web browsers and products are user-friendly. Employees are encouraged to be creative as they identify new methods to deliver consumer time-saving data. The corporation bends ambitions to remove all possible limits. Provide financial support. Google gives financial support beyond performance assessment that result in appropriate pay. The prominent IT business understand financial stability, thus they provide free on-site financial consultants. Financial consultants help workers with debt, taxes, and financial guidance. They provide staff financial education to prevent future problems. Enable mobility. Google's talent retention is another reason it's a top employer. Google emphasizes strength over faults. Google would rather move to an expert-level department than fire you. This firm promotes often. That's all about the inspirational leadership story of Larry Page. If you have any questions about this episode, please feel free to write it in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe and give this episode a thumbs up. It will help the algorithm to promote our channel. Thank you for listening, and I will see you next time.